Well, good morning, everyone. Well, actually, it's not morning, it's evening now. And I've had to redo this whole video because I was holding my phone in my hand and you could see my arm in the whole thing. So I'm redoing it this evening and then rushing to get it ready for you tomorrow. Yes, so my name is Zia and I make videos about full-time nomadic life in my shuttle bus. As you can see, there has been some progress, and I am actually sleeping in the bus for the last few nights just to get a feel for it and to test it out. I paid heed to what a lot of my regular subscribers were saying, that Rome wasn't built in a day and to pace myself. And it was really good advice because I really was starting to get burnt out. It wasn't just the physical part of trying to get the bus ready before I leave for Oregon in, I don't know, a week and a half. But it was also so many other things that I was trying to deal with. Getting ready for our Boulder Women's event. Still have just a few spaces left if you want to attend, so go to ireneharlow.com to check that out. Yeah, so dealing with that, making arrangements for different aspects of that workshop and that camping weekend for women, and trying to sell some of my furnishings on Facebook Marketplace and dealing with that and buying things on Facebook Marketplace for in here. So there's been an awful lot going on, and I found that physically and mentally I was becoming really fatigued and I was kind of spinning my wheels a bit, to be honest. So I decided, okay, I have to let some things go. As long as I could get it to a point where I was able to have privacy in here, where I would have some running water and a comfortable bed and an emergency nighttime toilet and a way to cook, that was going to be enough, and I could just sort of slow down a little bit. And the other major things that need to be done, which are basically cosmetic, can be done once I'm in here. So today I had actually a new friend for me because I hadn't met River before, but she came. She had built out a I don't want to get it wrong, I think it's like a cube van into just an amazing little living space for herself. And so she had a lot of knowledge about how to do different things like plumbing, and I think when the fall comes she's going to help me put in a diesel heater in here. So, and maybe in the future even some solar. She's done all of that. So I'm so grateful for the time that she gave me today. I'm going to show you a little bit of footage. She was here most of the day and managed to get my faucet in for me and the drain pipe. And she put up a shelf for me, and she put up the flexible curtain rod track on the ceiling for my privacy curtain at the front of the bus. Just amazing. I'm so grateful for that. And then she left, and it was already kind of later in the afternoon, so I didn't have time to clean up all the sawdust or tidy everything up. But I've taken some footage because I thought you'd like to see how things are looking for the time being. It will all be taken care of at some point in time. It's still a bit rough here and there for sure, but I'm loving it and I'm feeling really comfortable. It's nice to be sleeping in my own bed again, on my own mattress, although the mattress I've been sleeping on was very comfortable, and I was very grateful to have that available to me. So I'm getting there. In the footage, you're going to see a couple of little areas where I just shove things into corners to get them off the counters and everything, because we had drills and screwdrivers and wrenches and all kinds of things all over the bus just a short while ago. So I'm going to leave it at that and just show you a bit of footage of what we did today, and then some video of the space as it is now. I hope you enjoy it. I'm loving your comments, by the way. Thank you so much. Here we go. This is what we're going to be working on today. My friend found this flexible camper drain by Camco. I ordered it off of Amazon. I think it was $32 Canadian. And so it's going to go on this drain. I will have my gray water, fresh water here, and then we're going to, I have a template for drilling a hole here. So what we're going to do is use a hole saw and just drill part way in so that this rests in there and stays firm. And then we'll drill a hole through the center of that for the hose to go down into the water tank. So here's the idea for this, is to drill this outer hole so that this will fit into it, and then the hole in the center will allow the hose to go down through into the jug. Okay, please bear in mind that we just finished doing some work in here and I haven't had a chance to clean up. But this is as good as the bus is going to be before I leave. I told you I was a bit burnt out. Got a couple of the window inserts loosely in there. But my faucet is in. I'm really happy about that. And the drain, the Camco RV drain, is in. And my water container and my gray water. This is the setup for now. I have a little bit of new bedding in. I haven't done anything with the back wall or the ceilings, but I've got a few plants in, and River also put in, besides the plumbing, the sink, she put in this extra shelf for me under here, which I'm really happy about. She put up this ceiling track so that I could have some privacy when I'm in here. There's a bit of a gap at the top and on the side. I'll have to do something about that. That yellow pole, I will be doing something with that, and also with all of this gray upholstered piece and wall. And of course, you know, I have to do the ceiling. New bedding, it's a little bit boho. Sorry, this is the reality. I'm still moving things in. It's a bit of a mess here. I haven't ironed the bedding yet. So it's beige on one side and white on the other. And then I have a bit of the paisley in my sheets. This is temporary. This will all be disappearing. I bought this plant to hide all the ugly workings in the corner. But it'll be comfortable for now. And the rest of it I can do once I'm in. I'm quite happy. Okay, that's going to be it for today. I hope wherever you are in our great big beautiful world, you've had a really wonderful day. I hope you've had a wonderful week. and that you're enjoying the weekend wherever you are. And I'm going to say bye-bye for now. I love you all, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.